This is Jason's Electronics Repair. I'm Jason, and welcome to my ER. Today we're going to look at some tools from iFixit. This is the Marlin screwdriver set for iPhones. I opened these on a stream, and I wanted to do a separate video on them because I didn't have a chance to test the actual iPhone ones. I've tested the other drivers that I've gotten, the Torx and the Phillips and the stuff like that, but I didn't get a chance to test the iPhone. I didn't care for the fact that they're not labeled, so I ended up labeling them myself. So here's what you get. You get a Pentalope 2, size 2. You get a 000 Phillips. You get a Y000. You get the standoff tool. And then you get a 2.5 millimeter nut driver. So I have here an iPhone 5. I haven't opened an iPhone. I've opened one iPhone and it was like a 3G. So I'm going to open up this iPhone 5S, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if there's a way to tell. It's model A1533. So I know it's a 5 something. So we'll take a look at it here. And then I have another product I want to show in this. So for comparisons, I have the other iFixit driver set, and I want to compare these drivers to it. So let me get my P2 bit out here. I'll tell you, they will be easier to find. P2. So I'm going to take one screw out with this iFixit driver set here. Let me zoom in here so we can see this in action. So I'm going to use one of these mats here to keep my screws organized. So, all right, so I'm going to use that there like that. So I'm going to take out one of these Pentalope screws with the iFixit. And this is day 3 of these gloves. Okay, so, that wasn't too bad. It took it out. Let's try the Pentalope screwdriver. That feels like a better bite of the bit, but I don't know how long that good bite thing is going to last. So I'm not sure. So I don't know if this phone's ever been opened before. I really don't. So I'll put the Pentalope driver back, and I will get my opening tools here. Get some opening tools, and I will try to open this phone here. It's like I said, it's been a while, and I've only opened one phone. So, and these gloves aren't making it easy. Use a dull razor blade if I can pick one up with these gloves on. Slide that in there like that. And see if I can get a pick in there. Probably laughing at me at doing this. Just trying to be careful here. Okay. All right, so I think I got this down now. Yeah, there we go. So I believe it opens upwards. Wow, the lighting is awful on this. I'm sorry. There we go. All right, so I'm going to open this up here. And it is got something connected there. What is that? Looks like the home button. And the what? What the heck? Do you have to? Huh. I don't know how to open this. I know that it folds up, but I don't know how to. Okay. I just unhooked that cable with this little bracket here. Let me pick it up. So I popped this bracket off. Y'all probably laughing at me knowing that that's exactly what that does. So I got that cable out. That's going to be fun to get back in. Now let me lift this up here and see that that's how the screen is attached. Let me come in here with the Phillips bit, and I will remove one of the battery screws with the Phillips. I don't know if these have to be in a certain order, but I'm going to keep them in order here. And I'm going to grab a P000 with the other iFixit kit. And that screw out, put that one there. I want to mix my screws up here. So that out. And then I'm going to disconnect the battery here. Okay, so the battery's been disconnected, so now I can take the screen assembly off. Let me put a little bit more tension on it. So that looks like, is that Phillips in there? That looks like a Phillips. So there. Is that a Phillips too? Yep, that is a Phillips too. That one may be non-magnetic because of the magnet sensor there. So put that one there. Oh, not that screw. You guys are probably thinking, yeah, he's crazy. He's taking apart this way too slow. But this is a working phone, and I want to do some stuff with it soon. So, well, that is like stuck to that there. All right, so let's see if I can disconnect some weapon cables here. Just look at this here and see how those ribbons are on there. That one's that one. So it's got like a foam protected sheet there. There's that one. There. That one. So there, that is that. So there's the screen. The screen's good. It'll be a test screen in the future. So I'm not going to tear the phone down any more than that. We see that the screwdrivers, they work compared to the other ones. I want to show off another item that I got and that I want to test. So I also got this here. This is a SAM service dedicated power all-in-one iOS plus SAM. It does 5S to 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. This was given to me, 2 of these were given to me by the company that told me to practice on phones and get better with those. So that's what I'm doing. So I got this here. I'm going to turn on my power supply. I'm going to plug in the banana jacks into channel 2. They fit all right, so that's not too bad. And then I'm going to set that for 4 volts. Let's do 4 volts. Let me get that on the screen. All right, so power. So there we go. We're looking at the one on the right. The one on the left is not working. So as you can see, if I turn it on, it'll drop to 0, and whatever this, nothing right there. So I should be able to hook up the correct power on this. And now, like I said, I think this is a 5S. Let's compare the battery connectors here. Yeah, they look the same. I think it is a 5S. Because what does the other 5 look like? 8. I don't even know what that one is. It's a Pro 7G. I don't even know what 7G is. So let's hook this up here. Now, I'm going to turn my meter on real quick. I'm going to find out what side of this connector is positive and what side is negative. Because I'm not sure and I don't want to do anything that would damage the phone. So I am going to hook up this here to this, and I'm going to put my meter on continuity mode, and I'm going to, I think that this one right here, yep, that's ground, so I'll make sure I hook it up in that manner. All right, so we have that hooked up. So we have that. We will turn on the power supply. Remember, the one on the right is going to go to 0. Shouldn't do anything. And then if I press the power button, it should get a boot. Where's the power button? Oh, it's over there. And that should do something. Oh, that's weird. $70 milliamps, 80 milliamps. Oh, maybe this phone does have issues and it doesn't work. Oh wait, it's going. This phone is like super slow. It's only a 16 gig phone, and then it's completely full with system updates. So, but I'm gonna use it for practice and stuff like that. First practicing disassembling phones, and then putting them back together, and then actually pulling chips and reballing them. So this is booting up. So all right, so I'm gonna turn the supply off. I have an iBoot box coming, so that will be that'll be cool because then I can just boot the boards and then hook up screens and all that good stuff. So I got some new stuff, but this was mainly to look at the iFixit iPhone tools here. So there you go. I'm going to call it to this video. Check me out on Patreon. Links in the description. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.